Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you what is decorator and why it is a powerful in Python. So decorators are the powerful features in Python that allows you to modify the behavior of the functions or method without changing the source code. So let us put it into the simple form. So for this case, what I will do, I will first of all write a decorator. So decorator, say for example, decorators with argument. Okay, and I will insert one function in the decorator. Okay, and now I will write a wrapper. What modification I want to add up in the function. So define wrapper, and here I will put some argument. Say I will put the two arguments. Okay. So first of all, say the arguments are one and two. K kwards. Okay. Now I want to put up a function. Say intermediate output result is equal to my input function is FUNC, and here this would be my input arguments. Whatever input argument I put up, okay, then I'll put another message. The function returns, it would be result. Okay, now return would be result. So this will become my wrapper. So what I put up here, I have mentioned that the input arguments I have given in the wrapper is arg and kwargs. Okay, so I have put up in a form of abstring. Now I'm saving this function output of the intermediate function, and I'm putting another comments, another printout message that what is the result and return would be the result. So this would becomes my wrappers. Now I will also return here wrapper. Okay, make sure only wrapper should be written because this is our decorator, right? So this becomes my decorators. Now let us see how it works. So in order to check, I will first define import the wrapper decorator with args. Okay, now say I put up a sample function, say a and b, input argument would be a and b, and return would be a plus b. Okay, so I have defined a function along with the decorator. So let us see how magic happens. So I say results is equal to add any number, random number, say 5 and 90. Okay, now let us print using string the output of function add is result. Yeah. So let me run this decorator. So here you can see the comment which I have written here, output function add, the output of the function add is result 95. Now before that, you see these are the two argument which decorator has given to us. How it has given, let us decode it. Here it is, the arguments are, so these are the two arguments which we have given 5 and 90, right? Now what is the result? The function returns 95. So this is input and this is output. Okay. So this is the beauty of the decorators. This third one is additional things which I have written outside the function. So even if I remove it and I simply print result, so it will give me the uh, core understanding of my function. What are the input arguments and what is the output? This return is nothing but the output. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.